Good morning, folks, and God bless you. Welcome to this early morning flight. Southwest Airlines flight 917. I believe it was 917 to Dallas Love Field. Uh, quite early on departure. We're already almost to the other side of runway 26. We're already there, basically. There's the private aviation there. NetJet and Millionaire and Atlantic and all them. Today we are looking at a fully loaded plane with 143 passengers. Due to that, I opted for a flaps 5 departure instead of a 1 or a 2. It's simply not enough in my eyes. And I've been on too many Southwest flights, and when we've been fully loaded, and that plane, when it gets up, that plane is gone. Like as soon as they start rotating, but this, I've been rotating, and it's like the plane does not want to get off the ground. So we'll see how flaps 5 works today. As you can see, 737-700 series. Our SID is T down off of runway 26. And we're going to be arriving on the Barker 4 arrival into the Love Field with looking at about 560 miles. 560 miles due to the extended flight. Could have been better if we flew through Fort Worth traffic behind them and then just came around instead of having to do a loop around the airport, but I digress. We're at the very end, so here we are. Let us go. Let me get the traffic on. As you can see, flaps 5 does look quite a bit more than flaps 2. On this departure, I'm not gonna manually apply thrust. I'm gonna use the toga button. Use the toga button for it. All right, let's see. Last minute checks before takeoff. There's nothing on the annunciator panels. Looking good. We got flaps 5, green, V ref, or I forgot what it's called, but you got the 138 in here. V1 is 135. I've set it so that when we rotate quick, then we get out of here. So here we go. Let's go.
El Paso Tower, Southwest 737, ready for IFR departure, runway 26.
Southwest 737, altimeter 29.902, wind calm.
2992 already.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 26, Southwest 737.
Let's not forget clock again. There you go. Clock is on. Thrust has been set. See, bam, we're off the runway like that. Alright. It's a very steep, it wants us to go further too.
Albuquerque Center on 128.2. Good day.
Going to 128.2 Southwest 737. Albuquerque Center Southwest 737 is passing 5,600 feet, climbing 13,000 feet.
See, look, it wants us to climb so steep.
737 Albuquerque Center altimeter.
I'm the plane, I let go of the controls and it's like trim. It's flying on its own trim right now.
Southwest 737 contact Monterey Center on 127.4. Good day.
No, let's not do that.
Going to 127.4 Southwest 737. Monterey Center Southwest 737 is at 7,500 feet, climbing 13,000 feet.
Southwest 737 Monterey Center altimeter 29er
Where it flaps up.
2 radar contact. Continue to Altitude. Southwest 737 contact Albuquerque Center on 128.2. Good day.
Going to 128.2 Southwest 737.
Then we climb up to 47. Now we clean
Albuquerque
up the
Center
lights.
Southwest 737 is passing 8,600 feet, climbing
The
13,000
bellies.
feet.
Southwest 737 Albuquerque
No
Center
more.
altimeter 29er 2 radar contact. Continue to Altitude.
All the options are high in ones. Alright, and we're going through 10, we're about to hit 10,000. Let's get 75.
Southwest 737 climb and maintain flight level 190.
Climb and maintain flight level 190 Southwest 737.
Let's get it going. Alright, gonna turn off the igniters, the continuous. Gears gonna go down to the off position, all the brakes off. Turn off the runway turn-offs. I'm gonna go for 38 today.
Generic 907 Tango climb and maintain flight level 210.
About 3,000
Albuquerque
go.
Center Southwest
I'm done.
737. Request flight level tree 80.
Southwest 737 climb and maintain flight level 190. Expect flight level tree 80. Climb and maintain flight level 210 generic 907 Tango.
Climb and maintain flight level 190. Expect flight level tree 80 Southwest 737.
As we begin our right turn.
Southwest 737 climb and maintain
Thank you for watching.
Climb and maintain
God
flight
bless
level
you.
270 Southwest 737.
Southwest 737, contact Albuquerque Center on 132.65. Good day.
132.65.